Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got here. I got PABUSIOR, and it is shelf liner paper, and it can go onto the fridge, the drawers, cabinets, shelves, anything you want. But we have shelves, so I'll show you guys what it's going to look like putting it on there. This will not be the permanent location, but let's open this up, and I'll show you what it looks like. So you can see it's a really super flexible plastic. It doesn't have sticker on it, so that's sweet. And it's about, I don't know what it was, 14 inches deep. So this particular shelf is a little deeper than that, so it's going to require cutting. So let me show you what it looks like just to do it. I'm going to show you how easy it is to cut. I'm not going to actually cut to the right size right now. I'm just going to give you a demonstration of what you would do. So it would be easy to do because you could just line up the little bubbles to cut it. And you just take normal scissors. So if I was to do it, I wanted to make it like this shorter, I would just go right there and I could cut it super easy, you know, make it whatever I want to, whatever size I want, and get it to fit up there. And then I will show you what it looks like in a few minutes. Okay, not trying to trick you all because this is not going to be the permanent location, but you can see what it looks like here. So it's going to give a little, you know, it's not completely see-through. It's got a little translucent, so this might be good inside of a cabinet if you want it, because we have these outside. So you can see how it looks, and we'll save the wood so you won't get different things getting it wet or whatnot. So super cool. Thumbs up from me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.